How to mute DJI Mic Mini. So first of all you would need is your receiver and two of the transmitters. In my case, you can see that both the transmitters are turned on. So on my receiver, you can see 1 and 2, both showing green lights, which is both the transmitters are turned on. Now, one of the steps you could do in order to mute your DJI Mic Mini is that take one of your transmitters. Then simply long tap on this power button to turn it off. Now you can see that in the receiver, one light has been turned off, which is one of the transmitters is turned off. So this transmitter has been muted. However, if you wish to mute DJI Mic Mini set entirely, you would have to turn off another transmitter as well. Follow the same step and then long press on the power button. So you can see that both the lights have been turned off on the receiver. So this is the only way through which you can mute your DJI Mic Mini, and there is no other step by default. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.